Hello, today we're going to be painting a very simple mandala, and I've got a watercolor pencil here. I've found an object to draw around. This is going to be part of my guide, and I've got some paint, some indigo and some Prussian blue. I've got a set of brushes and I am just going to start in the center. So I've started with one of my blues and then I've moved on to the second blue here, and I'm just going to work out from that center, leaving a gap in between each of these petally kind of shapes and just following round and continuing the shape as I go round. I have just drawn around one circle as a guide, but you may want to draw a series of circles, different sizes, to help you with this process. Mandalas are one of the oldest art forms, and they're meant to convey a metaphysical meaning. In Sanskrit, the word mandala means that which encircles the center, or more broadly, circle. A circle is the universal symbol for wholeness, oneness, and the cosmos. In Buddhism, mandalas gained prominence around the 5th century, serving as tools for meditation and visualization on the path to enlightenment. So these beautiful geometric patterns have transcended their religious origins to become universal symbols of spirituality, unity, and mindfulness. So engaging with mandalas can promote relaxation and self-discovery. Using repetitive patterns in this circular motif can be very, very relaxing. So take your time when you are painting these and allow yourself to focus inwards. Breathe, relax, and enjoy. Using a medium-sized flat brush, I'm just following the line around the patterns that I've already made on the page and just dragging that paint round in that sort of half semicircle there. Then using the repeat pattern again of the triangles that are going to encircle that line that I've put down. Mandalas are designs, abstract and freeform, rather than the strict scenic representations of reality. So you should feel free to have fun with them. You could try a monochromatic version using black and white, or only one colour as we're doing here, or a rainbow of colours. Whatever you are feeling at that moment, let that out onto the page. When your paint is dry, then you'll want to grab some pens. I've grabbed a silver pen here, a Uniball broad pen, and I'm just making these squiggle shapes along the two lines that I've put on that base colour there. Using the pen then to fill in some of the colours there, and then mirroring exactly the same as what I did at the top of the mandala on the bottom section. So as I said earlier, we are doing repeat patterns very soothing to do. You don't have to think about them once you get started. Your mind is free to just explore and follow your hand. So I hope this makes you feel calm when you do it and releases all that negative energy that you may have going on. I know when I was doing it, it did make me feel very calm. I love doing repeat patterns, and you just really get into that zone where you're not thinking about it. You're just following the patterns and adding some detail. Hope you like this. Hope you get to try. Maybe leave me a comment. Let me know how this made you feel. I would love to hear whether you enjoyed doing it, what colours you used, etc. So I have had a little bit of smudging with the paint. I put my hand in some wet paint and then transferred the colour. So I've grabbed my white Posca pen and I'm just tidying up the edges here. I've grabbed the silver Uniball pen and I'm just outlining the tape there just to make a nice clean border. Heated up the tape and I'm just peeling that off now. And I'm going to bring it up so you can see the little detail and see how it shines with that silver pen. And I really enjoyed doing that. Very calming, very relaxing. Really got me in that zone where I'm not really thinking much of anything, just concentrating on the page in front of me and the marks that I'm making. Well, thanks for spending the time with me, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day. Okay then, bye.